In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Notion. Whether you're a long-time user or just getting started, organizing your workspace to reduce clutter can significantly boost productivity and simplify your planning process. Notion, with its blend of flexibility and power, provides an excellent platform for task management. However, as projects progress, your task lists can grow unwieldy. By learning to hide completed tasks, you'll keep your workspace neat, which allows you to focus on what truly matters. Let's begin by opening your Notion workspace and navigating to the page where you manage your tasks. Typically, this might be a to-do list, a database, or any other format that suits your planning style. Once you have your page open, you'll notice all your tasks laid out, including those you've completed. The goal here is to filter these completed tasks out, so you only see the work still needing attention. To do this, locate your tasks table. You'll see various columns, and one should be designated for marking tasks as completed. This is often a checkbox column named something intuitive like Done or Status. If such a column doesn't exist yet, you can quickly add one. Simply click on the Add a New Column option, select the checkbox type, and name it appropriately. With your checkbox column set, it's time to filter your task list. Click on the Filter option, which is typically found at the top of your database or table view. If your view isn't filtered yet, select Add a Filter. Choose the column you designated for completed tasks. Let's say it's called Done. You'll need to set the filter condition to Is Unchecked. This condition tells Notion to display only those tasks where the checkbox remains unticked, effectively hiding all that you've completed. Once this filter is applied, your page will refresh, now exhibiting only the tasks that still need your focus. What's great about this method is that while it hides completed tasks from immediate view, they aren't deleted. Notion simply tucks them away, preserving your records and allowing you to reference past work if needed. If you ever wish to see these tasks again, just adjust your filter settings by removing or changing the condition back. For an even smoother workflow, consider using views. Notion allows you to save different views of the same table, which means you could set one view for all tasks and another for incomplete ones. This way, switching between a comprehensive overview and a focused workload becomes a matter of just a few clicks. In summary, by effectively using Notion's filtering and view capabilities, you can hide completed tasks and maintain a clean, streamlined workspace. This small change can make a significant impact on how you manage your projects, ensuring you stay organized and efficient. Happy organizing!